Hello everyone, so today I'm going to go over how to install Python and how to use a Python library called Playwright. And so we're going to be using this to log into our UTRGV website. It can be used for other things. This would be a good tutorial, just a beginner tutorial so you can see how it works. First thing we want to do is open up your browser and you want to go to python.org. Typo there, but yeah, so as soon as you get to python.org, you want to go to downloads. This tutorial is for Windows, so you want to download your latest Windows Python version. And so you go ahead and download it here. Either you click on it here or you go to your downloads folder. Now, when you see this installation prompt pop up, do not click install now right away. Make sure you click add Python to path. That way your command terminal can read it or use it. And so then after that, go ahead and click install now, allow. Give it a few seconds. Alright, so it looks like we have it installed now. So the next thing we want to do is make sure that Python is added to path. So what you want to do is go to your search bar towards the bottom of your taskbar. Open that up. Go to, well, you can either go here, command prompt, it's right there, but you can do CMD to open it up. Or if you're going to do the old-fashioned way, you do your Windows button on your keyboard and R. It'll open up the run terminal, press CMD here, and it's the same thing. You'll have it here opened up. What you want to do is test for the Python version. This will tell us if it's installed correctly. So it's Python space -- version. If you see the version come up, that means your command terminal can read Python. So perfect. Okay, so next thing we want to do here is install Playwright, and it has a couple of specific commands. I always kind of forget them, so I'll take a look at my instructional document here. I have a copy of it in the description as well for you, but basically what you want to type is pip install pytest -playwright. It's going to install skeleton. Mine's already installed, as you can see. So it just checks if it is. If it is, nothing happens. And so then we want to install the main browsers. So that's just Playwright install. Give it some time. So this part does take a while. Okay, and it looks like it's finally installed. The next thing we want to do is create a new folder anywhere you want to place your files. I'm going to do it in my documents folder. You're going to call it Playwright Logger. You can call it whatever you want, just so for you to find it. Go inside of it, and first thing we want to do, click on the three dots. You're going to want to go to Options, View, and then uncheck Hide Extensions. Right, for known files. That way you can always see the extensions for your files. Next, you want to right click, go to New, create two text documents. So one of them, you're going to want to right click and go to Rename. Call this one Credentials. This is where we're gonna type in our username and login. The second one is going to be our Python script. And so just to get started here, typical convention for Python scripts, it's a word with an underline for spaces. So this one I'm going to call it my Playwright script. Oop. I'm going to right click, edit in Notepad. You're going to do File, Save As. Now here, you're going to want to change this .text to .py. And save as type, change that to all files. Okay, as you close it, you're going to see 3 now, right? You're going to want to delete that old text file. What we've done is made that text file into a Python script. Now, we can still edit it with Notepad. So you're gonna right click again, go to edit in Notepad. And there we go. Okay, so next thing, you want to get the code. Here it is. I have the link in the description. So basically it links you to a little gist I made from GitHub. What you're going to want to do is go into your browser, put in the link, and then you can either just copy it, or you can download a zip. What I'm going to do is just highlight it, copy, and then paste. Okay, make sure you save that, close and save. Now, remember what I said, the credentials. So credentials has to be in this format. Username equals your email. Now, if you're not a UTRGV student, it's not going to work for you. But if you are, you can go ahead and try this out. So it's literally your email at UTRGV, whatever it might be. I don't know if it's changed, and then your password is literally your UTRGV password. And that's pretty much it. After this, you'll go ahead and save it, and you double click the script and it will work. I won't show you this just to maintain some security for my email, but go ahead and run it on your own and let me know if you have any issues. Thank you.